introduction. Go where we are.
Driving to the Hoover Dam.
There you go, man. How do people know this?
Well, where's the Hoover Dam?
Well, some people don't know.
Like we didn't until earlier.
Oh, Hoover Dam's there. Oh, it's Nevada. Say hello, America. We're in Nevada.
I wish people would hurry up. I was wanting to just film the windy roads, but it's not happening.
Oh, okay.
Shut up. Why are you telling me? Huh?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing. What are you talking about?
I heard what you said. Yeah, and it's going on YouTube, so you keep going to hear you say that.
Look, I'm all over the place. Over there, on that mountain.
It's because everyone's paying $30 to go on a helicopter ride. It's pretty freaking cool. Maybe we all have time. What else do we have planned this week? On the way home? After we blow through all of our money already? Okay.